if by chance in the far and distant future, under unforeseeable circumstances, I do end up getting married, then I feel like I'll be the most indecisive bride ever. I'll probably be like Bridezilla times 100 because I like too many things and I have too many ideas about what my theme should look like, what my dress should look like, what my hair, makeup, what my groom should look like. तो list तो ना बहुत endless है. But today I can get to tick one of these things off, which is makeup, because today we're going to be trying 5,000 rupees versus 50,000 rupees bridal makeup. I'm really excited to see कि इन दोनों में क्या फ़र्क होगा, कितना फ़र्क होगा, और what's going to be the main difference in the whole look. शादी तो बहुत दूर की बात है, because I don't know if I'm gonna have a traditional North Indian wedding, or if I'm gonna have a Christian wedding, or if I might have a traditional Tibetan wedding. No idea. Depends on the mood. Lately, I have been obsessed with Priyanka Chopra's look. I have picked a lehenga which is definitely not this, but it's somewhat similar to this. I have some artificial jewelry which I have been using since my school days. So moving on to what matters the most to us today is the hair and makeup. As I mentioned, I have a lot of ideas and I'm just going to show you what I have in my mind. In love with Deepika. I have no idea if this makeup is going to suit me, and that's where the makeup artist steps in, and that's where they will prove if they are 5,000 versus 50,000 worth or not. Because not a lot of people know how to do makeup on like hooded eyes, okay? So that is something which is very important for me. May not be as important for you, but for me it is. At least मेरी शादी के दिन में makeup artist को मेरा makeup करना तो आना चाहिए. So that is what I'm going to judge them on, and yeah, let's see what they have to suggest. I'm really excited, but at the same time, I don't want to go there and tell them, you know, that I want this, this, this. I'm also going to let them do their thing, because it's just a trial run. So I want to see how good they are, what do they recommend, is it as per, you know, जो मेरे mind में जैसा look था वैसा ही आया या उससे better. So I'm just going to let them do their thing. Okay. So the first place that we're heading to today is actually in Mahipalpur. This is the only place I could find that was offering a bridal makeup look for 5,000 rupees. अगर आप जानते हो कोई ऐसा parlor or makeup artist who offers for even cheaper or lesser price, then please let us know in the comment section. But I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm feeling a little skeptical. I'm not gonna lie, ठीक है? क्योंकि unlike the 50,000 makeup artist, you know, she's already spoken to me. Started, you know, giving me suggestions about what to do, what not to do, kinds. But इनसे मेरी बात नहीं हुई है, so I'm excited to see what she also has to suggest. So let's go to the first place. हेलो
हाय मैम।
हम ब्राइडल मेकअप लुक ट्राई करना चाहते हैं।
मैम हमारे पास तो 5,000 से लेके 20,000 तक पैकेज चलते हैं।
अच्छा ओके, तो उसमें फ़र्क क्या है?
ये 20,000 का जो है, 15,000 का जो है, ये इसमें पैकेज में हमारे 1 महीने 2 महीने से ट्रीटमेंट लेते रहते हैं कस्टमर, हमारे आते रहते हैं। 3 टाइम फेशियल देते हैं, 2 टाइम क्लीनअप देते हैं।
अच्छा।
5,000 वाले में आपको ब्राइडल का पूरा मेकअप हम करके देंगे, हेयर स्टाइल बना के देंगे, आपका टचअप लहंगे का करके देंगे।
तो मेकअप में कुछ अलग लगता है ऐसा?
हाँ मैम, मेकअप में भी अलग रहता है। अभी ये 5,000 का जो हमारा है, 5 से 7,000 10,000 तक हम मियोन का प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हैं।
अच्छा।
और हमारा जो 20,000 से 25,000 तक जाता है, उसमें हम क्राइलोन का प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करते हैं।
अच्छा। मेरे माइंड में 2-3 चीज़ें हैं, 2-3 लुक्स हैं, बट एज सच कुछ फिक्स नहीं है कि मुझे एकदम ऐसे ही इस टाइप का चाहिए।
आपको अगर आइडिया नहीं है तो हम आपको आइडिया भी दे सकते हैं। आपका लहंगा वैसे कौन से कलर का है?
ये रहा, तो ऐसे रंग का है कि मेरे को स्मोकी आई भी अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन मेरे पे उतना मुझे पता नहीं सूट करेगा या नहीं करेगा। तो
मैम आपको तो रेड कलर का ही ग्लिटर लगा के आई साइडो लगाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि
अच्छा,
आप बहुत फेयर हो ना, स्मोकी कलर बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लैक सा दिखेगा।
मेरे को भी ये लग रहा था। चलो ठीक है, आई एम गोइंग टू लिसन टू द मेकअप आर्टिस्ट एंड मैं आप पे भरोसा करूँगी, और आप जैसे भी आपको लगता है सही, आप वैसे कर दीजिए।
आप ब्लाउज चेंज कर लीजिए।
इनका आपने क्या करा, ग्लिटर? This is the kind of makeup look I don't mind on myself, you know, because it doesn't seem too much or too little. बाकी लोग ट्रायल भी लेते होंगे ना मेकअप का सिलेक्ट करने से पहले?
ट्रायल में हम आई साइडो का उनके हाथों पे या उनके आईज पे एक बार करके दे देते हैं। उन्हें अच्छा पसंद आ जाता है तो
कि ऐसा कुछ लगेगा।
हाँ।
तो जैसे ब्राइड वगैरह आती हैं यहाँ आपके पास, क्या उनको ऑलरेडी पता होता है कि उनको कैसा लुक चाहिए, या आप सजेस्ट करते हो? या
कुछ कस्टमर होते हैं हमारे, वो हमें पिक ला के दिखाते हैं, हमें ऐसे ही चाहिए, तो उन्हें वैसे करते हैं। और कुछ लोग आते हैं वो डिसाइड नहीं किए रहते, वो हमारे ऊपर ही डिपेंड करते हैं। मैम आप देखिए, आपको ज़्यादा कलर तो नहीं लग रहा है ना डार्क?
नहीं, मेरे को कलर तो सही लग रहा है।
आपको कुछ डिफरेंट लगे तो बताइएगा मैम।
नहीं नहीं, कलर तो आई थिंक आपने एकदम सही मैच करा है।
ये आपके आई साइडों का मैच है, ग्लिटर है ये। पलक लगाएंगे ना तो आपके आईज ऊपर उठ जाएगी, तो ये लगाना आपको बहुत ज़रूरी है।
अच्छा ठीक है।
क्योंकि आईज मेकअप दिखेगा ही नहीं अगर आप इतना डार्क नहीं लोगे। मेकअप आप नॉर्मल लीजिए, बट आईज आप डार्क लीजिए।
चलो ठीक है। हाइलाइटर थोड़ा आप ना कम कर सकते हो।
अच्छा, वो अभी कम हो जाएगा,
ठीक
करते
है।
करते कम हो जाएगा।
ठीक है ठीक है।
वो फेस में मिक्स होगा ना अभी।
ओके फाइन। I've never seen myself like this. I'm a whole different person. Ooh, bindi. अब कैसा जूड़ा बनाने का सोच रहे हो?
ये मैं पीछे से बन लगा के पूरा जूड़ा बनाऊंगी। जो साइड विधियाँ होती है ना, उसमें ये ऐसे अच्छा लगता है। ये सिंगल में ना यहाँ से गेटअप थोड़ा सा देना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा ठीक है ठीक है, तो आप कर दीजिए वैसे।
आपको नहीं पसंद आया तो आप बता दीजिएगा,
ठीक है ठीक है।
फिर से खोल के बना देंगे, ठीक है।
I'm nervous. I don't want to open my eyes. I'm scared. Okay, let me open it. Oh my god. It took me a while to get used to the eyelashes, but with the whole outfit, I kind of do look like a bride. A very young bride, but bride indeed. Oh my god, I cannot even tell you guys. मैं तो ऐसे मज़े मज़े में अपना मेकअप कराने आ गई थी, but when she did the makeup and then I wore the lehenga and I put the jewelry on and the dupatta went over my head, shit got too real. But you have no idea how much time I spent taking off that glitter out of my eyes. It was all over my face. But now we're headed to our second location, our second makeup artist, who I've already spoken over the phone. Her name is Pratishta, and she actually has her own studio, but वो आज fully booked था because she's that good apparently, and so she has booked another studio और वहाँ हम जा रहे हैं makeup कराने. I literally feel like I'm running from one function to the other. I'm feeling that rush and that anxiety. But there is no group. So yeah, let's see how this second look goes, and I'm feeling relatively more at ease because I know I've seen her work, I've seen her Instagram page. I know कि कुछ ना कुछ जो भी होगा सही होगा, so I'm a little relaxed. Hi, I'm good. So nice to finally meet you. How are you?
I'm very well. Yes, I would like to see your face once I wear my mask.
Sure. You've already seen my lehenga, है ना? I really like, like brown or like black smoky eye. but I don't know how that will look on me.
I am skipping out on black because you already have hooded eyes. Black will make it look a little smaller. We can do smoky in a different way as per your eyes. I'm thinking of going a little brown smoky, like really glamorous and sexy. And also your lehenga is not completely traditional.
And not a lot of people know how to do makeup for like hooded eyes, so I'm really excited to see what you do.
Exactly.
I have some expectations from you now. So I am back with my blouse.
It's pretty.
Thank you.
Okay, do you want to go for lenses?
Sure, why not?
So I'm just going to clean your face.
I didn't know that option was also available.
So yes, we do have colored lenses, and
Does that come in like normally under makeup?
I think all the makeup artists have started carrying.
So the makeup, the package that we have taken today,
Yeah.
what all does it include?
So the packages generally include the same thing. It includes your makeup, your hairstyling, your dupatta draping, lashes. We also offer colored lenses of zero diaper.
Okay.
Diopter. And yeah, so yeah, this all is included. And if it's within Delhi, it includes the travel also. You can open your eyes now. Yeah. Are you comfortable?
Yeah.
So I'm starting with your eye makeup now.
Okay. If I were to book you for like wedding or whatever, तो मेरे को क्या wait करना पड़ेगा?
See, it's always better to book your slot in prior.
How much prior?
Some artists open their slots 1 year in prior. Like I open my slots generally 8 to 9 months in prior for outstation.
जैसे ही शादी का मुहूर्त निकल जाता है पंडित से, they should book you.
And sometimes
Pretty much.
Yeah, and कभी कभार ऐसा भी होता है कि ब्राइड्स पहले पूछती है ये हमारे पास डेट्स का ऑप्शन है, आप कौन सी डेट को अवेलेबल हो, वेन्यू कौन सी डेट को अवेलेबल है, फिर मैं उस डेट को फाइनलाइज करूँ.
Oh wow.
What we're doing with your hair is, since it's a bridal look, we are going for a bun. Though it's not like important that the bride has to go for a bun only. We're going to leave a little bit of hair in the front.
Okay, great.
How do
Because
you
like I told you now, I really like the look of a slick bun, but I don't think I have the face for that right now. You need to have a really slim face for that. It makes you look a little rounder.
That's actually not very true that you don't have a face for that, but this look is not for that, I think.
Okay, fine, fair enough.
Yeah, I think if you were going with a gown and like cocktail look or something like that, it would have looked really nice on you.
Okay.
But with a traditional lehenga, I think we can go a little bit traditional at the back.
Okay, cool.
And it's more comfortable also to carry a bun on the wedding day.
Do most brides like take a trial for like makeup also?
No, not really, because trial would not give you the idea of the entire look. Trial is something like we'll do half of the face. अब half face में आपको कैसे पता लगेगा कि आप पूरा का पूरा कैसे लगने वाले
But
हैं?
maybe like just eyes.
Eyes में भी कैसे पता लगेगा क्योंकि सिर्फ eyes हुई हैं. We as makeup artists, as experienced people, we know कि अच्छा ठीक है हमने eyes ऐसे किए हैं, हमने balance कैसे करना है with the lips, with the face and with the hair and everything. But the bride, being an amateur, she wouldn't know. So trials actually do not make any sense.
Okay.
That's why we take consultations for the same. And the brides generally choose us because they trust. They've seen their work, seen our work on social media, or they've heard about our work, or they've seen our work on someone. So they come in a way कि हाँ ठीक है, we trust this person. That's why we want to go for this person. So I got this for you.
Wow. I don't think I've ever worn such heavy jewelry in my life before. I feel like I look like a whole nother person. This is as big as my forehead.
Close your eyes.
What is this?
This is a makeup fixer.
What was the other thing?
That was a hydration toner.
Oh, okay. Is it time for reveal?
Yes.
I feel like you're more nervous. Whoa! I really like the way you did the eyes. I can't believe. I feel like I'm getting married. It's getting real. So those were my two looks, and today has been nothing short of eventful. For a second there, it got all too real. At both the places, when they were done with the makeup and I saw myself and I looked at myself in the mirror, I was like, holy shit. Because then it really did feel like I was a bride, even though there's no wedding, there's no dula. It did feel like I was a bride, and it felt very surreal. One makeup was for 5 grand, one makeup was for 10 times more, 50 grand. So in my eyes, there's no comparison. But in their own way, I feel like the lady who did my 5,000 rupees makeup did a great job in whatever the means that she had. And the lady who did my makeup for 50,000 also did a great job. If you can't see, I'm gonna let the art speak for itself. When you're in an industry like beauty, you know, where you're like literally providing beauty services, especially to brides on their most like special day of their lives, I feel like you cannot compromise on service. So that way, both the places, both the ladies were equally nice. They were treating me like as if I was actually getting married today. They kept checking with me at both the places. If I was, you know, if I didn't like anything, I never had the option of not, you know, like going back to doing something that I preferred, stuff like that. So I think service-wise, both of them were really nice. So the pro about the whole makeup that I got done in 5,000 rupees is the fact that it is for 5,000 rupees. The only con would be that the quality of the products used were not off the mark that I would like to use on my skin. So that's about it. Other than that, she did a pretty good job. थोड़ा सा मेरी personality के हिसाब से मेरे को थोड़ा loud लगा, but other than that, but she kept, to be fair, she kept asking me. She was like, आप बताओ आपको अच्छा लग रहा है कि नहीं, आपको जैसा लग रहा है, I'll do it as per your needs. So I'm sure if you go to her and if you tell her, you know, you want it like this, she'll do it. Pro and con for Pratishta. Pro would be that she really did know what she was doing. One good thing that I liked about her is that she actually knew how to do makeup on hooded eyes, which I personally haven't found a makeup artist like that in a lot of time. So that's one of the major pros for me. If any northeastern women watching this are getting married and want to get their makeup done, Pratishta did a good job, so I would recommend that. Con is the extra zero. Other than that, there is no con. This is more my style. Simply because it's not as loud and not as out there. It's a little softer on the eyes, so I like this look. I'm beyond satisfied with my experience at both the places. Both the makeup artists who put makeup on me today did a great job. Riya did a great job, Pratishta did a great job, and अब canvas ही इतना अच्छा हो तो क्या करें? If you liked this video, then make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to OK Tested. Also, please let us know in the comment down below which look did you like and if you'd like to see more of such videos. And we have an app जहाँ पे आप ये video एक दिन पहले देख सकते हैं और बहुत सारा exclusive stuff. So please download it and yeah, see you later.